Justice Minister Delroy-Chuck says far too many criminals are being acquitted because of insufficient statements collected by the police. The Justice Minister made the comment as he addressed the launch and webinar of a committal proceedings guide yesterday.
Far too many criminals who should be found guilty get away because the material and the statements collected by the police are insufficient.
The Justice Minister Delroy-Chuck, as he outlined the importance of the new committal proceedings guide, he argued that the guide can help the police collect better statements and they should use it to ensure they do their jobs better.
Criminals are getting bail. Cases cannot go to trial because the cases have not been properly prepared by the police, because the material is insufficient, because, with due respect, police officers have not been professional in their focus on the case, not only in getting the material ready, but also ensuring that witnesses are available for trial.
Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn says successful prosecutions depend on solid investigations. She argues that her office has already been working with the police to ensure that investigations are high quality.
There is a lot of judges wouldn't be aware, there's a lot of consultation at every level. Some of these high profile cases that you are all reading about in terms of the strategy, how to deal with it. And sometimes I have to exercise my constitutional powers to bring up the matter. We have deputy assistant directors working with the police in respect of the investigation. And as I said, we are in the trenches. It's not everything that is good to eat, it's good to talk.
She notes that progress has been made in disposing of numerous court cases.
By the way, Minister, perhaps it's not wholesome for the Chief Justice to say, but I will say that certainly over the last 3 years, certainly we can see where we are getting a lot more guilty pleas. A lot of guilty pleas, and may I give all the credit and kudos to the former Chief Justice and this present Chief Justice in terms of making sure that criminal case management gets the respect, not only from the prosecutors who are put to the sword to deliver, but also the defense attorneys